Oh, nice. We have a standoff here. Oh, hey. I came to get some of Ancha's stuff to make it ticket to Hotel Z for it, but Jacinta and Griselle are in the way, and they look one wrong word away from exploding. That crosses the line from bravery to death wish. Count me out. These two are a pair of unstoppable forces. Neither one's going to back down. You misunderstand me. I would never deign to let price dictate the taste or quality of coffee. However, your churlish words and actions would cheapen the taste of even your best brew. Ha! Listen, people flock to Nouveau Cafe for two things. My roast and my roast! Trying to play off your coarseness as some lovable quirk, incroyable. No coffee brewed by such a barbarous boor will besmirch my palate. That's not what your hotel's famous chef said when she put Nouveau Cafe on her list of Lumios's most noteworthy coffees. Your impudence truly knows no bounds. You there! Uh-oh, guess we're caught. If it isn't Nitsua. You all heard all that, didn't you? So who's right? Obviously I am. I want to hear you say it. I mean, you both make some good points. Wow, and here I thought you had a spine. Your lack of moral conviction requires correction, by force if necessary. Finally, we agree on something. So it would seem. You need some straightening out, and we are more than happy to oblige. And so prepare to face the two of us. And look at that, you got Lita, 2-on-2, the fair is fair. Why me? I'm feeling some deja vu here. Especially with these two, specifically. Unstoppable forces. Yeah, I don't know about that. Up time to destroy the hotel. It's an amusing earthquake. Hi, Sylveon. You know, I was stating that we haven't battled Jacinth all that much. I take it back. I take it way back at this point. Also, bye. Alas, it appears we have lost. Blame me, we could have won if I'd understood your fable better. If we are apportioning blames, there certainly are things for which I must apologize as well. How about we call it a good match and leave it at that? You are welcome to join and compete in Le Super Tournée de Jacinthe Infinite anytime, my dear. Ha, as if. I'm busy. I have an actual job. You come to the cafe if you want to battle me. What the heck is going on here? By the by, what brings two Team MZ members to Hotel Riches Me? We, can't take care of some things. Business regarding hyperspace Lumios, no doubt. Thank you for the working to keep us all safe. Should you encounter trouble, I am happy to lend my support. Now moving on. There is no use hiding, Laban. Come on out. You have things Team MZ property, I hope. Huh? Yes, of course I have. Very good. They have been so kind to look after Miss Ansha after you foisted that responsibility onto them. I am eager to hear exactly how you have spent all the times that I have freed up for you. No, it's not what you think. Lady Jacinth, I swear, I have Miss Ansha's best interest in mind. Do you believe your invoking her name will save you? All will be forgiven once you've won 100 Super Tornado Jacinth Infinite matches in a row. Good luck. I'll slip you some coffee during visitation hours. I appreciate you taking care of this hyperspace Lumio stuff. If things boil over, you can count on Team Flair Defoe's help. Watching Jacinth and Griselle argue was even more tense than that Pokemon battle, honestly. Hey, I'm here. Sorry I'm late. Ready to dive in and survey hyperspace Lumios when you are. I better go take care of my errand for Ansha while the coast's clear. Good luck, you two. Guess that's the hyperspace distortion we're dealing with this time, huh? I don't know what I'm going to be facing here, so... Alright, let's do this. Alright, we're going to use this one. The plus 44 one. Meowstick? You know, if hyperspace Lumios reflects people's or Pokemon's subconscious thoughts, you think it'd be easier to tell whose thoughts shape this place. You don't think it's reflecting the thoughts of that Meowstick right in front of us. That's the thing, this place looks almost the same as where we fought Absol and Staraptor, right? So did they have the same subconscious thoughts as this Meowstick? Pokemon are so mysterious. Oh well, we know that what we gotta do. Save this Meowstick from Rogue Mega Evolution. Alright, Meowstick. Psychic. I'm not sure if it's pure Psychic. I doubt it. But, let's be as prepared as possible. Geez, I have a lot of these now. What do you mean I can't use it now? Wait a minute. Jeez, that is so loud. Meowstick can learn different moves depending on whether they're male or female, you know? Can you tell what kind of Meowstick this is, Nitsua? It's male. You can always spot a female by its color, more white than blue. They're better suited to offense. Males have strong psychic power, same as the ladies, but they're a little more defense-oriented. Hearing it just shout low power, I'm not expecting it. Ha! Harvey Dent? Am I the only one who thinks that? Wait, we can knock that thing back? It's kind of insane. Bringing Feltall out. Trick room. Ah, I spy a weak spot. Ow. All right. Target it. Come on. Thank you, game. Jeez. Well, this may prove more difficult than I thought. All right. Gonna have to. Bomb button. Oh, come on. Just enough time, it looks like. That one was hard. Meowstis site. Interesting. What Mega Meowstic looks wild, like it's got elements of a male and female combined. Mitsura, Urbane, Karina. Well done, all of you. Looks like it'll be another late night. Someone's got to go over this rogue Mega Meowstic data. No, don't worry about us. You've all earned a break. He sure takes his data analysis seriously, huh? Anyway, we've heard from Corbo, which means right about now, it's giant Pokeball time. Crack it open, Mitsura. Yep. I think that's the rest of them. And Mega Butter? I don't know at this point. Supreme Butter. I wonder if this butter's the product of someone's subconscious thoughts too. Couldn't say, but I'm sure it'll give Ansha some happy conscious thoughts. Let's go show her. Hey Ansha, we're back. I'm shocked that such lovely butter even exists. I'll have to do it justice with my most exquisite donuts yet. I suppose it's about time we got ready for dinner, isn't it? I've tidied up the strategy meeting room. What's got you looking so worn down, Lita? I was stuck at Rich's meet for a while. I think the ambient Jacinth pressure got to me. This Jacinth is very kind. She's kept me company at mealtime since I haven't many friends around. How'd Jacinth get to know your mom anyway? Diantha must be super busy. Yep, there it is. I've been told by my dear mama taught Miss Jacinth all she knows about Pokemon battles. Maybe your mom's Gardevoir was what got Jacinth in the fairy types. I've never appreciated Diantha's true skill till now. Taking on someone like Jacinth as a pupil? Phew, that takes some serious dedication. Your mom is Diantha, huh? What's she up to these days, Ansha? She's off shooting a movie in a faraway region. My dear mama won't be home for some time. And I suppose Hooper can't simply whisk you to her for a visit whenever you want? It's not so bad. When I make donuts, it feels as if Mama is right by my side. Why is that? Because she taught me how to make donuts in the first place, of course. It's thanks to Mama's donut making lessons that I can Hoopa open up hyperspace distortions. Good point. Not just any old donut can bring out Hoopa's power. It takes the Chef Ansha touch. I hope so. I'd be very proud. You should be. Seems like the holes in your donuts aren't empty. They're full of love. I'll keep on making them with love and care so my dream can come true. We appreciate your help. Pleased to be of service. Yeah, I'm going to jump every single time that low battery warning goes off. I can't stop it. A dark void in your dreams, hmm? I wonder what this is implying. Well, that's not, creepy at all. I've seen this movie before. It doesn't end well. I guess we're just going to kind of have this go into out of the speakers of my desktop because my headphones are done. They just died on me. I don't have that much left, fortunately. I had the creepiest dream last night. Maybe the stress from just Sin's bad mood got to me. Please, don't make me listen to your creepy dream talk. It will only be confusing and disturbing. I know, I get it. It's just really bothering me. It was so creepy and so weird. I've never had a dream like that before. That terrifying voice telling me to stay away. Morning, Team MZ. Nice donut shop. Things have changed since I last came here. Ah, would you be Miss Emma, the young head of the Looker Bureau? That's right. You must be Ansha and Hoopa. I hear we got your pastries and powers to thank for Team MZ's hyperspace survey efforts. I really appreciate you both helping out. Goodness, well, would you care for a donut? I think that's Mimi's way of saying yummy. What's the story with Gulpin here? We figure it came from a hyperspace Lumios. Seems to like it here. Ah, got it. Sounds like a lot of Pokemon have been crossing over from hyperspace Lumios lately. It's keeping my docket full, that's for sure. But Pokemon are Pokemon no matter where they come from, right? Bet AZ would be happy to see you all making Gulpin feel at home. What was Mr. AZ like exactly, Miss Emma? I don't know much apart from that he lived quite long. Good question. He's not an easy man to sum up. I think 3,000 years of pain and regret left him determined to prevent others from suffering. He spent a lot of time here at Hotel Z staring up at Prism Tower, worrying about it and the city. Did Mr. AZ build this hotel himself? Not exactly. He was given the land by some bigwig as thanks for creating a guardian to watch over Kalos. When he went off to wander the world in search of Floette, he apparently asked some people to take care of this plot of land for him. And then those people opened lodgings here to help cover the costs of taking care of the land. That's what AZ told me. But by the time we met AZ, he couldn't spare much thought to running a hotel. He had to find some younger people who could help stop the trouble with the tower after all. Ah, and that is how Team AMZ came to be, I see. AZ was a good judge of character. He brought you all together and you saved Lumios. I'm glad that I'm a part of Team MZ and my donuts can help keep the city safe. That's great to hear, Ansha. On that note, I brought a little something that might help with your donuts. Here, have these hyperspace berries. I picked up a bunch of them while dealing with Pokemon from Hyperspace Lumiose. Bet you can make some great donuts with these in the pantry, right? I imagine so. Keep up the good work, Team MZ. Let Mimi and me know if you ever need a hand. I'm glad to see everyone doing their best, but does anyone else still feel uneasy somehow? I haven't quite been able to settle down since we heard Corbo's theory about Hyperspace Lumiose reflecting subconscious thoughts. Oh, you had to go and mention him, didn't you? What? What do you mean? As if on cue. Morning! Right on cue. Hey! I'll spare you the preamble. Come to HQ. Time for another rendezvous. I think Karina's out training. I'll let her know. So we're going to just go and talk to him, and then we're going to end things off. Since again, also, headphones have died, so gotta go deal with that. Oh, there's the Galarian Meowth, finally. Like I said, I'm doing a lot of the side quests off screen. I think Tuesdays and Wednesdays I need to focus more on Sword and, well, Pokemon Shield. Get Corbo out here! Mr. Corbo is otherwise engaged. Your patience is appreciated. Then you tell him to quit dragging this meathead into his business. Mr. Corbo and Mr. Ivor have an arrangement. Yeah, and their arrangement means G-Fold is getting wrapped up in their mess. Now she's trying to run away and hide in her non-existent world or so whatever. Well, it's not like we're making Gwen do anything all by herself. Corbo convinced me that we need to take this hyperspace issue seriously, so I have rallied the entire Fist of Justice to help out. Philippe, the lobby's where we welcome our guests. You're supposed to keep things quiet. Terribly sorry, boss. Hey, listen up. Keep G-Volt out of your stupid schemes. Whatever has been decided between Ivor and Gwen can be taken up with them. Don't come yelling about it to us. Boss, if I may, a Pokemon battle might be the quickest way to settle this and get our guests moving along. Guess so. Come here, Nitsua. You and me against Ivor and Canary. My gosh. This is going to drag. Okay, so what are their titles? Bolts and Brawn. I like it. I guess that these guys just know go out here. Again, sorry for the extra volume. I don't have a choice. Does it still play something? Yeah, it does. Interesting. So I don't need to have it play. Okay, works for me. You don't really think Mega Failings would have been like fighting Steel or something like that. Oh well. thrash both our teams? Defeat, how incredibly unjust. It's so over. Sorry, G-Volt. Happy? If you still got issues, kindly sort them out between yourselves. Canary, allow me to properly explain. What Corbo told me about the hyperspace threat inspired me to offer a new training course from the Fist of Justice. The people need to be prepared. We don't know what Pokemon might emerge from hyperspace Lumiose next. As such, I hope to train the people in this city so they can be strong enough to handle any disaster. Who else but Gwen could I depend on to help organize such an effort? She's so reliable. Don't turn us around and make me look like the bad guy for complaining. Fine, whatever. Then I'm going to help so G-Volt won't have to carry it all on her own. Got it? And I'll bring my Pop's bread too. No objections here. Might be some for me. Hooray! Your newfound team spirit helps you patch things up. Now get out of here. Bet none of this would have happened if you just explained what you were trying to save the city. Forget it. I'm not here to play hero. Let's get to business already. Here's your Hyperspace Lumiose update. We combed over the data from your battle with that rogue Mega Meowstic, but it hasn't told us too much about the big distortion over the tower. Still, we've got a city to protect, so we can't just sit around and wait, which means... Let me guess, time for us to knock out another round of surveying. I'm glad you're quick on the uptake, kid, but I wouldn't get too confident if I were you. You're going to keep running into stronger and stronger Pokemon in Hyperspace Lumiose. It'll be okay. We're Lumiose's toughest trio. $30 Ultra Balls. How generous. Get out there and protect our city. Alright, and with that... That is where we are going to end things.